finally levels out.
Wow, huh? That's crazy. Man.
Water just follows us down and keeps washing it out.
Yeah. Shit is slick too, Mike. You're sliding all over the place here. What I believe we got going on here is I'm in two-wheel drive. I got my locker bypass on.
Yep. You want to lead them? Yeah. We gotta come down.
And I'm just hoping, I mean, I am driving in two-wheel drive, and I don't think if that locker bypass was on, I had no drive. So hopefully, hopefully this will do it.
We're not going under any low bridges, are we?
All right, Recon 1, say what you want. Busted axle shaft. Still, this freaking Jeep did the entire Walden's Ridge. There were times I had to pull cable, but them freaking front lockers still pushed this bitch through a long ass trail. So we're gonna put it up on top of Cooter's trailer. All right, there's Cooter. No one ever wants to see this, but you know what? Hey, broke a rear axle, wobbled our way home. My locker bypass worked great because I was able to actually put the locker bypass on in two-wheel drive and actually drive her home without having to run it in four-wheel drive. And we were very far from the camp. So yeah, we're gonna pull this, and you know, the big challenge is, can we get both pieces out? To me, that's what the whole damn job comes down to, girls. It's showtime. Yeah, so this is about the worst thing you can see. You can see the splines right there, and it broke right inside there. So this happened to Mike Llanos before, and it was a freaking disaster. So that's really unfortunate. So
If you had it, it was just in your other toolbox.
well, miracles do happen, and
you
Dan had this magnet. Look at this. Look at this. So here's the straight splines that were in the carrier, and then here's the twist. My vehicle was sliding down that slab, locked rotor, snap, brake, and there it is. Wow, miracles, man. Be told, I bought these carbon chromoly's like 4 or 5 years ago after an OEM flange bent, and they have been great. But today was the day, and
it took all it could take.
Yeah, 2 reasons I'm thanking the first sergeant. He brought the extra OEM axle shaft, so that's good. And he had the magnet, super powerful magnet that actually pulled the freaking busted splines out. But look at that. So there you go. Bye-bye. All right, so let's get this thing. Helping me wheel this. We're trying to. Well, I need that thing to straighten. So, Dwayne, Mark, they're all helping me. Gary, we're putting the JK under a lot of load here and trying to straighten this freaking winch line. It's crapped out on me today.